Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to hide a product on Payhip. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have, as you can see, the product store. We have the analytics marketing, you have the account and everything about it, and in the middle of the screen we have the store essentials. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and hide a product on Payhip. So first of all, go to the top side of the screen and click on product. Now here, as you can see, you have your products. I have only one, and here I can see you have the edit, view, share, embed, and we have the three dots here. You then need to go and click on the edit. Then you need to click on here, sorry, not there. You just need to go and here, as you can see, you have first of all a lot of options. When you click on it, you can choose the, of course, one of the following options on your, as you can see, products. You can go and delete it, of course, if you want. You can go and hide it, and here you can post it into be invisible, unlisted, or visible. After that, click save changes, and it will be saved. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Till then, bye guys.